Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Alright, so the bottom of this cabinet, the two back legs are broken. So what I'm gonna do...
Hey everybody, welcome back. If you're new, thanks for stopping by. If you're already subscribed, thanks for coming back and supporting my channel. But as you can see on this piece, the back legs were broken, so I had to make new ones. And yeah, so I just basically traced the back of the cabinet so that way I could make the legs, and then you'll see further down the line that I'm basically using the old legs just for show, and then the ones that I'm making are actually what is holding up the cabinet. And that's the first one. This cabinet was really tricky because I had to figure out how I was going to make legs. I was first going to remove the entire legs, but then I changed my mind, so yeah. This is me getting ready to glue it and brad nail it. Checking to see if it works.
So we built the frame of the legs on the back side, and this is just like for looks. So I'm gonna end up using wood filler right there, and it's dripping, but I'm gonna use wood filler, fill that in, sand it down. I used wood glue to adhere these two pieces. We used the sander, I used the nail gun, and I just basically put the nails too so it could attach and secure everything. Same thing for that one.
Alright, so I'm getting ready to paint it. Removed all the hardware, and then I'm just gonna paint it white, and then with the gold handles. So again, thanks for watching. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks for subscribing, all the new subscribers. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks for becoming Little Bits of Everything community. And yeah, if you have any suggestions on videos or any questions, just leave them down in the comments down below, and bye.
Subscribe, like, and share.